Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you right now?
I'm
Good.
fine.
Fine.
And you?
How
I'm
about
fine too.
And
I'm
you?
fine too. Thank you. Okay. Now, before we start our lessons, yeah, let's pray for a while, yeah. Before we start our lesson, we can let's pray for a while. Okay. Okay, finish. Now, I want to absent this class. Who absent today?
No
Who is
one,
absent
miss.
There
today?
is no.
No.
Okay.
No one.
All present, ma'am.
All present. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Right now we are studying about labels. Yeah. But before we start our lesson, I want to tell about tujuan pembelajaran kita. Ya, sebelum kita masuk ke materi yang sebenarnya, before we continue to our lessons, I want to tell about tujuan pembelajaran. The first is menganalisis bagian-bagian label dalam bentuk label makanan. Yang kedua, mengkomunikasikan informasi yang didapatkan dalam bentuk label makanan atau minuman pendek dan sederhana di depan kelas dengan pengucapan dan intonasi yang benar. Okay, before continue more about our lesson, I want to ask you something. Saya mau bertanyakan sesuatu. Do you ever read the label from the food or drink? Apakah Anda pernah membaca label dari makanan atau minuman?
Yes.
Jarang.
Lalu.
Raise your hand, please. Raise your hand, please.
Yes, I have.
Raise your hand, please. Okay, Patricia. How about you, Patricia?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Have you ever read about label in food or drink?
Yes, always, ma'am.
Okay. In this slide, what you look? Apa yang kamu lihat di slide ini?
Ingredients, ma'am. I think.
Okay. Now
Rice.
the things.
Rice.
What? No.
Gambar jajan.
Gambar jajan, ya.
Jajan, rice.
Ya,
Ari,
rice
ya,
itu
jajan.
jajan.
Ya,
Itu
Apa
snack,
namanya?
snack itu lice.
Snack.
Iya, snack.
Lice,
Apa aja
lice.
itu? Ada lice, ada
Keripik kentang. Keripik
kentang,
kentang.
kreatin tea,
Apa itu?
apa lagi?
Satunya.
Bakery.
Jajan itu
Bakery.
Bakery.
Nah, ini
Oh,
sering kita
makanan.
ketemu. Ya, di Lays ini sering kita ketemu ya. Kalau di Creaton Tea itu bisa dilihat dari buku sama Stainless Bakery-nya. Oke. Sebelum kita masuk, before we start, I want to read first ya about Lays. No, about Creaton Tea ya. Creaton Tea is for the perfect cup of tea. Ya, use 1 bag per cup. For fresh bubbling water or for tea bag, stop for 3 to 5 minutes and remove tea bag. For information, call free 177 456 3021. Net weight 60 milliliter best before. Saya akan baca salah satu dari ini. Kamu bisa mengikuti. Ya, okay. On this product, what you see?
I see the ingredients.
Yeah.
The nutrition.
Not only picture. Yeah.
Name of product.
Not only picture and then ingredients.
Name of product.
Then. Okay. The big word. What is the big word? Kata yang besar itu apanya?
Lace.
The
Name.
product.
Name of the product.
Correct. The
Brand.
name of product and the brand of product. Well, they tell to us.
Judulnya salah juga judul ya. Nama produk.
What does it tell us?
Information
Yeah.
about
It's
product.
about the product. Why you need to read the information on the packing?
Supaya tahu mungkin Bu isinya apa aja.
Yeah, good. Supaya tahu isinya apa-apa.
To
Tanggal
give
expire-nya,
information.
Apalagi?
expire date-nya.
Iya, for safe product ya, untuk kita juga mengetahui kadaluarsanya, kegunaannya, bagaimana cara menggunakan apa? Iya,
Mengkonsumsinya.
fungsinya. Ya, that's the use of we read about the label of from the product. Oke. Saya akan suruh kalian salah satu membaca. Oke, from Arini.
Hey, ma'am.
Okay.
What is label? Label is the information contained in the outer packing of the product or goods.
Okay.
What is the purpose of labels? To give detailed information about the product, to choose healthy and safe product, and then the last is to avoid harmful effect.
Okay. What do you think about what is label? Anyone can answer the question?
To give information about a product, ma'am.
Okay, to give information the product and the purpose.
To give detailed information about the product,
You choose.
to
Then-
give detailed information about the product.
Ya. Label itu gunanya adalah untuk memberikan informasi tentang produk tersebut. Ya. Tujuannya adalah untuk memberikan informasi about the product, untuk supaya apa? Supaya health and safe product. Ya. Untuk choose health and safe product. Yang ketiga untuk avoid harmful effect. Okay. Then where can we find label? Silakan
In a
kita baca.
product we always use.
Where can we find label? On?
In packaging a product.
Okay. For example,
The first in the slide from Cheetos.
on food product, on food package, and on drink package,
Oh, I see.
and apa lagi?
And the drugs.
And medicine package, okay, at the tip, and then
On cosmetic package.
ya on cosmetic package ya. Nah, ini ada tentang labels contains. Label contain isi dari label tersebut. Nah, brand of product adalah merek produk, name of the product adalah nama produk, content adalah isi atau jumlahnya, description adalah deskripsi produk, ingredients bahan atau komposisi. Oke, contohnya brand of product. Aprianus, apa kira-kira brand of produknya?
Salt cheese.
No, brand of product yang dilingkari itu
Kongguan.
Kongguan. Itu ya. And next, name of product.
Salt cheese.
Salt
Salt
cheese. Ya. Description. The underline yang ada di garis bawah itu apa?
Barbecue, ma'am.
Barbecue. Good.
Barbecue.
Thank you, Nurul. Next, expire date. What is expire date?
Tanggal kadaluarsa,
Iya,
Ma'am.
di situ disebut on the
August,
slide.
ma'am.
Ya, August 20.
On the August 2013.
13, yeah,
yes.
2013. Santos, can you read the slide, Santos?
Name of the product, Cretan tea. Yeah. And brand of the product is the same, Cretan tea. And then description for the perfect cup of tea. Direction to use 1 bag per cup.
Okay. From the table, we try to practice to speaking. From the table, we try to practice to speaking based on the product. Ini berdasarkan produk yang ditulis, berdasarkan creativity, dan table-nya. Kita akan membuat menjadi speaking, dari tulisan menjadi lisan, speaking. This is the sample from creativity dari speaking, from speaking. You can read this? Siapa mau membacanya?
Present information on the label Kraton. Facts and start by saying brand of product. The brand of the product is, and then Name of the product. The product is content or amount. The package contains, and then description.
Okay, thank you, Ernie. Now, I have to explain about the product, yeah, the table, and the presentation about speaking. Now, I want you to exercise, yeah, exercise. First, we fill the table. Fill the table. Fill the table based on this product. Exercise 1 and text 1 and text 2. Text 1 and text 2 in the group. Text 1 and text 2 in the group. What brand of the product from the picture? And then name of product. What name of product from the picture? Text 1 and text 2. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. It's okay, 5 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and the group is
Yes, ma'am.
Aprianus, Nurul, group 1, Aprianus, Nurul, Santos,
Okay, ma'am.
Debu, and Ernie. Group 2, Ninik, Atik, Arini, and Patricia. Okay. Okay, finish? Okay, finish ya. Okay,
Yes,
our
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
we start from group 1.
Name of the product, the tax one. Novelty, 100% organic, Tulsi extract,
Then
ma'am.
content,
Content net
wait,
with 2 floor ox,
okay, description,
60 milliliter.
description,
Yes. Description, full flavor antioxidant tea in an airless palm to ensure freshness.
okay,
Caffeine free, no artificial color, no artificial flavor, no preservatives.
okay. Okay, thank you, good. Give applause to group 1. And now, based on example, berdasarkan contoh yang saya tadi sebutkan, setelah kita mengisi table, after we fill the table, we try to be speaking. Ya, setelah kita mengisi table ini, kita akan mengubah table tersebut menjadi speaking. Ya, contohnya di sini from slide, we try to change the table to speaking. Okay, we try to text 1, text 2, we try to speaking. Based on this one, present the information on the label of novelty and style speaker based on presentation guide tadi. Ya, siapa yang bisa satu saja menjadi contoh.
The brand of the product is Novelty. The product is tea. The package contains 60 ml. The product is full flavor antioxidant tea in an airless pulp to ensure freshness. Caffeine free, no artificial color, no artificial flavor, no preservative. The product is made from 100% organic Tulsi tea extract. These are the directions to use the product.
Okay, thank you. Now, before I forget to tell about this speaking, one of you, not everyone, try to send the speaking in WA. In WA, mengirimkan suara kalian di WA group, ya. From the lessons, who can conclude the lessons? Siapa yang bisa memberi kesimpulan dari pelajaran hari ini?
Label is to tell information about the product.
Okay, thank you. The label is the
To tell information about the product.
Okay, thank you, Arini. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for coming to our class.